malaking ano guys, mango. Look at how big this one. Woo, look at that, the giant one. And then next size is this one. Oh, yay, maliit pa. Yeah. They are really big. Ayan. Ayan guys, palaki ng palaki sila. Oh. Ito. Ayan. Ayan. Mango kayo dyan. Ayan. Ayan. Ito pa isang malaki. Ayan. Ayan. Doon tayo. Ayan. Daming bunga, diba? Ayan. Ito pa isang kamalaki. Ayan. More big there. I have the more big one. The first one I take video. Ayan. Look at that. Guys, how many fruit in this tiny tree. Ayan. By the way guys, this is Philippines mango. Ayan. We bought this 2 years ago. Okay.